What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Revolut account. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a quick one. Now there are 7 steps, and let's just start from the first step. The first thing you need to do is to download the Revolut app. And you want to go to App Store for iOS devices, or you go to the Google Play Store for Android devices, and just search for Revolut and download the app. Now the second step is to sign up for a Revolut account. All you got to do is just open the Revolut app that you've downloaded and tap on sign up. Now you want to enter your email address, create a password, and input a couple of other personal details, and then just verify your email address by clicking on the link that's going to be sent to your email address by Revolut. And once you're done with that, the third step is to verify your identity. So you want to tap on verify your identity and just follow the prompts from the app. Now you got to upload a valid government issued identification card. You could use a passport, or you could use your driver's license, and then just take a selfie to verify your identity. Now the fourth step, of course, is how to set up the account. So you got to set up your account details, including your name, your address. You got to input date of birth and such, and then just choose your account type. So that could be standard, it could be premium, or it could be metal. So just you also got to set up your security questions and answers to make your account more secure. And then the fifth step, of course, is to just fund your account. So you want to tap on add money to fund your account, and then choose your funding method. That could be bank transfer, debit card, credit card, and then just enter the amounts that you want to fund and confirm the transaction. Now the sixth step is to set up your Revolut card. So you want to, if you order a physical Revolut card, you can activate it in the app, and then just set up your card pin and security settings. Now the seventh and final step is to explore Revolut's features. Now that you have the app, now that you have the account set up and everything is pretty much done, you can just familiarize yourself with Revolut's features, and that includes currency exchange and transfers. You got budgeting and analytics tools, you got savings and investment options, and of course travel insurance and assistance. So you can check all this out on the app, and yeah, that's gonna help you out a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.